This video will show you how to create a master template for the QA/QC module or your inspection checklist. Okay, so I log in as a user that can access to the inspection template. So when I log in, I can go to maintenance here, and then I can go to template. So there's a master inspection list here. I can click on it. So I can create different master template. Okay, so you can see I have a existing template here, the building works. Okay, so I can just open it. So you can see the building work I can separate in different trades or elements. Let's say architecture works, fittings, floor. Okay, let's say if a fitting, so I can just go in here, and then you can see all these checklists here. Okay, like the sanitary ware installation checklist, component installation checklist. If you want to see in detail the checklist, you can just go in. Okay, so you can see from here the checklist here. Okay, so for example, I built a new template. Okay, so I go back to the master inspection list again here. Okay, so I create a new inspection list, let's say for high-rise building. Okay, so you can create one high-rise building, and then you can click this button to go inside a next level. Okay, so now I want to create, let's say, architecture works. Okay, you can create different elements or any trade here, and then you can select the category here. Okay, either category or list. Okay, let's say inside I have another sub level, so I can select category. Category actually is a heading lah, something like heading. Okay, so you can go inside here. You can see the button here. You can go inside here, click. Or before that, I can show you. Let's say I want to create this sample. This is a sample inspection checklist. Okay, in the real industry. This one is a checklist for waterproofing inspection checklist under architectural works. Okay, so this is the item that they need to check. Okay, so I go back to here, architecture works. Okay, so after I create, I can go inside. Okay, so here I can just select this is a waterproofing. Okay, so I can just copy this one, waterproofing checklist, copy, and then I can go back to the system here. I can right click, paste. Okay, waterproofing checklist. So I can select here. This one is a checklist already. That means under this one is already the list of the item that you need to check. So you can select list. Okay, when you select list here, okay, and then you can go inside. So before that, you can predefine the form. You can see this form. Okay, at the bottom, maybe you want to add some field, but project, of course, our system will auto generate the project or project reference, or you want to add additional info like because date or inspection also our system already have. Okay, or you want to add another, or let's say for location and grid line or any elements here. Okay, you can add also. You go back to the this checklist here. You can predefine. Okay, you can go to this button here. You click, so you can predefine. Let's say you want to predefine. Let's say I want to put this location grid line. Okay, so I can just put location. Okay, or grid line. And then what else you want to put? Let's say you want to put any additional, let's say elements or what lah, any note lah. Okay, or and then you can put any remark here also. Okay, this one you can create this additional field for the person in charge to fill up. Okay, so you can just close. Okay, after that you can go inside, and then you can create the checklist. Okay, you can see from here, these are the checklist. So you can just copy this one. I can just copy lah. Wall and floor. So I go back. Sorry, this one. Okay, so I go back to here, right, paste. Okay, and then you can see from here, this one is a heading. Only this one, only item you can see from here. Okay, so this one, if this one is a heading, you can go back to the system here. You just select head. Okay, and then you go inside, only item. Okay, so this one is only item here. You can just right click, copy, and then can just right click, paste. Okay, one item, and then you got another item here. copy here, paste, 2 item. Okay, so 2 item only. Okay, so I go back up a level here. Okay, so finish. So I go to another item, is waterproofing application. Okay, so I go to here, paste. This one also the same, is a head, so I can select head. Okay, I can go inside to key in this one. Let's say first code, just key in here, then next, second code, you can just paste here, and then third code, you can just paste here. Okay, so once done, I can go up a level again, so you can see done already. And then you can go to select this number 4, actually is not the head. Okay, so I can just straight away paste here. Okay, and then it's an item, you can see the item. Okay, and then this one also bonding test. Okay, and then this one also protection. Go back to here, paste. Okay, so you can see the item, it don't have this button here, go to next level, because this head it go to next level. Okay, so this is how to predefine all these inspection checklists to create this form, actually basically to create this form. Okay, yeah, so this is how to create a master template lah. Okay, you can create a lot of template here. I go back to master inspection checklist. You can create different type of the template from here. Let's say for high-rise building, or for infra, or for civil works, or MRT, LRT, all these checklists you can create under here. Okay, and then whenever got new project, so that person in charge, they can just copy the template from here to the particular project. Okay, so this is how to create a master inspection checklist. Okay,